Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a 2016 Fiat 500X. This is a pretty simple job to do. Doesn't take long at all. The air filter housing will be located on the passenger side of the vehicle, right there. Now, to remove the air filter, it's held down by 3 Phillips head screws. Take a normal Phillips head screwdriver and you loosen them. Be careful not to strip the screws. If you do, you will have to replace the screws. And try not to be an idiot like me and drop the damn screwdriver. Okay. One more. Make sure the screws are pretty loose. Now, all you have to do is pull up. You don't have to remove the entire air box to get to it. You just need it up enough to where you can pull the air filter out. So you get in there. Sometimes I get a little stuck. Yeah, there we go. Once you break it loose, it should come out. Now, I'm replacing the air filter. You know, it's not too dirty, but that may affect gas mileage. To the side. I got a new air filter. It's a Wix filter. I believe this is the part number. Right there. Just excuse my camera. I'm filming on a cell phone. But pull the new air filter out. It should be spotless clean. Now, some people like to clean out the inside of the air filter housing, but it looks relatively okay. So we're just going to put the new air filter back in. Make sure you line it up pretty well. Come on. There we go. There we go. Make sure it's seated. Make sure you push it in. Make sure it's seated so you don't get any leaks. Alright. You may have to mess with it a little bit to align it. Don't cross thread the screws. And yes, you may have to readjust it every now and then. Basically, you just want to make sure you get a good seal. And that should be good. Now there isn't a, like I said, there isn't a torque spec for this. You just get these as tight as you can without stripping anything. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I will be having more coming soon. Thank you, and enjoy your day.